Hi guys, Crafty Sensei here. I'm just going to show you a quick little tutorial on something just to spruce up your attire if you're, looking for something jewelry-wise to put on that's a little festive. This is really simple and easy. And to go with the earrings that my niece created, she and I did a little video together. And this is the idea that she came up with. And I thought it was really cute. Why not make a necklace with it? So you get this nickel-free chain that I got from Michael's. I used my 40% off coupon, so it was probably $5 or $6, but it's actually quite a bit of chain. So it's done me quite a bit of projects. So all I did was just cut a piece off, but I'm going to do it a little different. I'm not going to do it so that it ties around the back of your neck or latches on the back of your neck. I'm going to do it so that there's no latch, it just slides over your head. I took that chain and I just cut a little bit off, and all I'm going to do is open this split ring here. I'm going to hold it here. I know if you've seen these before, all you're going to do is twist. So one goes towards you and one goes down if I'm holding it in this direction. And now I'm just going to slide it on the last link. It's always fun trying to get that little link in there. Let's see if I can get, there we go. So all I did was that. So now it's on there. The star on first because I want that in the front. So to know that my shapes are going the right way and the design that's on the front, it's flat on the back. So I want that design to be open. So I want to face that towards the star because I want the star in the beginning. I'm going to go there, put the other side on, like so. And all I'm going to do is the reverse way that I did it. So one towards me and one towards the bottom. Make sure that the link is together. And that is it. So now when it lays down on you, on the front of your chest, just slide it over your head, and that's your necklace.